hardcore workout. Here we go. So you're going for 30 of them, starting with the right shoulder. On your tippy toes. 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. Good. This time we're gonna take our time. So instead of doing them like this, you're gonna go 1, 2, all the way to 30. 3, 2, go. Right one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 28, 29, 30. Now you're gonna do 15. That would be nice. No, we won't. We'll do 15 V-split hops. So you're gonna stay in the same plank position. You're gonna be in the plank pretty much this whole time.
Okay.
Because like I said, it's gonna focus on your core. So you're right here, and you're just gonna split up, split down. I mean, not jump it, just like that.
Okay.
And you're going for 15 of those. One is open. Ready? So closed, on your tippy toe, open for 1. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Ready? Lean forward a little bit. And then you're gonna reach back to your left foot. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll stop, we'll break at 15, 13, 14 if you need to. 15, let's go, 5 more. 16, 17, 18, 19. Good work. Ready, down, up. Start with your right hand, go. Back down with your right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, good. 7, 8, 9, last one. 10. Oh. Going for 10 of them. Up a little wider so you can get your knees between them.
The hand?
Yeah,
My hand?
yeah. 3, 2, 1, jump. 8, 9, last one. Real money, real money. On your elbows, you're gonna bring one, oops, my bad, you're on your hands. You're gonna bring a knee up, and just knee back.
Easy.
Knee up, knee back, just like that. Going for 10, you ready? Right knee. 1, down,
Yeah.
switch. 2, 3, 4, 5, Make sure you keep your eyes on that foot that's rising. Sit. Make sure you knee it all the way up first. So put it down, lift this knee all the way up, and shoot it straight back. 8, down, knee up. 9, down. 10. Good. But actually not the same thing. You're just gonna lift the same plank, whatever leg lifts, opposite hand lifts. That's one Superman. Ready? We're gonna start with the right hand up, left leg up. Go. 1. Hyper extend it all the way up. 2. 3. 4. Go. 5. 6. Go. 7. 8. Look forward. Go. Good. Now you're gonna do 10 pulsating. Like this. You're gonna drop your hips and lift your hips for 10. Simple like that. 10,
There you go.
10 bops. So butt up, down, 1, down, 2, down, 3, down, 4, down, 5. Oh shit.
That doesn't hurt?
Yes, ma'am, it does.
Yeah.
That stuff does?
Yeah, it hurts fine.
5 more. 3, 2, 1. Butt up, down, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good money, good money. Now, come up off your body like this and straighten your hands like this. Count to 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Lift your hips as high as you can. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This shit does not feel good. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 3. Put the hip up. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Bless you.
Thank you.
So you want to lean forward a little bit, not back, so your core is activated. And then once you get that, once you feel your stomach tight, start lifting. 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
I don't think I'm
8, 9, 10. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last exercise, we'll get straight into it. Reverse plank hold. So you're just gonna put your legs out, put your hands behind your back, lift your butt off the ground and hold it. Put your shit all the way up as high as you can. Thrust them hips forward. Yep. 1, 2, 3,
Easy.
4,